Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Non-Conformance Report, or NCR. It's a system for catching mistakes and ensuring they get fixed right. Let's break down what an NCR is, why it's crucial, and how it keeps construction projects on track. On a job site, something looks off, maybe the framing or wiring. This is where the NCR process kicks in. Trained professionals spot and document these issues. They keep problems from snowballing into bigger headaches. Early detection is key to maintaining quality. Once a problem's identified, it's time to fill out the NCR. This detailed report includes the nature of the problem, location, date, and related specs. Clear photos are crucial for clarity. The NCR goes to the responsible contractor. It's about accountability, not blame. This ensures issues are fixed correctly. With a problem and a paper trail, it's time to analyze. The first step is to gather all the relevant documents and review the history of the project. This includes blueprints, contracts, and any communication records. The contractor figures out what went wrong: bad workmanship, wrong materials, or miscommunication. Each of these issues can have a significant impact on the project's outcome and must be carefully examined. Experience is key in diagnosing these issues. Veteran contractors and seasoned builders bring invaluable insights that help pinpoint the exact problems. Finding the root cause is essential for a proper fix. This involves a thorough examination of the site and identifying the specific areas where things went wrong. Sometimes it's an honest mistake, other times it's cutting corners. Both scenarios require different approaches to rectify and ensure they don't happen again. The goal is to understand and address the root cause. By doing so, the team can implement changes that prevent future issues and improve overall project quality. Now, it's time to fix the problem with a corrective action plan. This plan is essential to ensure that any issues are addressed promptly and effectively. This plan details how the contractor will make things right. It includes specific steps and timelines to ensure that the work is completed to the highest standards. It could be a simple fix or a major job depending on the severity of the issue. Every step must be carefully planned and executed. The corrective action must be thorough and complete. Inspectors will review the work to ensure it meets all necessary standards and regulations. No band-aid solutions. Do it right the first time. Quality and durability are paramount, and temporary fixes are not acceptable.
Breaking news.
Fixing the problem is one thing. Addressing the root cause to prevent it from happening again is crucial. Preventive action involves taking proactive measures to avoid future issues and ensure safety. This could mean implementing additional training programs, using better quality materials, or improving communication channels. The goal is to learn from past mistakes and enhance processes to prevent recurrence. By doing so, we ensure continuous improvement and higher standards. Preventive action is essential for maintaining quality and safety. It's about building better, safer structures for the future. After fixing the problem, the contractor needs approval. The QA/QC manager or client reviews the corrective action. They ensure the job is done right and meets expectations. Feedback or minor adjustments might be required. Once satisfied, they sign off on the NCR. With the NCR signed off, the issue is officially resolved. The documentation is filed for future reference. It shows a commitment to quality control. This record is valuable for audits and future projects. It builds a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. NCRs maintain quality and standards in construction. They catch mistakes early, fix them right, and prevent bigger problems. Understand the importance of NCRs. They're your partners in building better structures. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.